Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to make lavender tea. So if you are feeling stressed or anxious or even have some digestive issues, lavender tea is a great addition to have in your kitchen cupboard, where you can just grab it anytime you need it and it'll be right there for you. So to get into the groove, I'm wearing the only lavender shirt I own, and it's kind of exciting and everything, but I wore this for you just to get into the spirit. Okay, so lavender has been used for thousands of years for the benefits that I just mentioned and many more. If you want to learn more about the benefits of lavender, maybe even while drinking the lavender tea that you're about to make, go ahead and check out our video on the 9 best lavender benefits for you. And we will put a link to that in the description below. So check it out. It's got a lot of really cool info in it, and I highly recommend watching it. So before we get into making lavender tea, I think we should go over the types of lavender that you can use. So all lavender is technically edible, but some taste better than others, and these are the culinary varieties. So some varieties include Hidecoat, which has a rich fruity flavor to it. Then there's also Munstead, and that has a nice herbal flavor. There's another one called Rosea, also known as white ice, and that's known for its blooms. They're really pretty. They also have hybrids. Those ones that I just mentioned, those are some English varieties, but they have hybrids, and some hybrids include Rosso and Provence. So just wanted to give you a sense of the different varieties that you can use. Now, before we also get started making the tea, I just wanted to go ahead and show you a lavender plant. And I have a quick tip for if you're trying to grow lavender so you can make it your tea fresh. I've got a quick tip for you. So let's go over and we're gonna check out a lavender plant. Come on. Okay, so we've got our lavender plant right here, and this is actually my mom's plant, and she doesn't know what variety it is. And so when she went to the store, the greenhouse, on the label, it literally just said either like lavender or culinary lavender, which is great, but for us who want to know the variety, it's not very helpful. So what I've done in the past is actually just look on the tag and it says the company name. I reach out to the company and they have emailed me back and just given me the variety. So just a quick tip for you. Okay, everyone. Let's go and make this lavender tea. Okay, so you can either use fresh lavender from your garden, the sprigs or the buds, or you can use dried lavender. So if you use dried lavender, great place to buy it from. Usually, like I said, they'll sell you the buds instead of the whole thing, but a great place to buy it from is either Mom's Organic Market, or I think Whole Foods sells it in the apothecary section. If you do buy it online, make sure you do your research about the company. You definitely want to make sure that they don't use pesticides when they grow their lavender, because you just do not want that in your tea. Okay, so we're going to actually use dried lavender because I made a great mix with this other tea, which I'll go into in a second. But lavender, what you want to do is have, if it's dried, 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup, or if it's fresh, 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup of tea, just depending on your taste. Lavender does have a strong flavor to it, so a lot of the times people will mix it with other things, like other calming plants, like lemon balm, or maybe mint, or rose petals, chamomile, things like that. Other people will mix it with black tea or white tea. What we're going to mix it with today, we're going to basically just mix half lavender and half of this other tea. It's a really great one. It's got chamomile for a calming agent, red clover for detox, and elderberries for immune support. I really like this. So what we're going to do, we are just going shake it up, shake a little bit. All that good stuff fell to the bottom. Get a mixture here. Oh, if I don't cause it to fall. All right, we'll take a teaspoon there. that down. Do a teaspoon here. Boom. So we're doing it in a kettle here. Grab some water, but you can also use it in like an individual tea strainer like this. And if you're really, if you don't have either of these things, you can make it in a coffee press, but just be aware when you, like a French press, if you push it down, you're gonna release the oils and it's gonna make it have a stronger flavor. All right, so let's grab this water. So we boiled some water here. So that's all you're gonna wanna do, boil some water. And then, I have to concentrate first, hold on. Pour it in. This is about 2 cups worth. And then let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, just depending on your taste. And that's it, y'all. So, you might also want to add in some fresh honey, some fresh local honey for added benefits. Now this is our baby right here. This is the humidity here, but it's crazy, look at that. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Like seriously, super easy. Go ahead, get your tea, get ready to relax. Get a good book or take a bubble bath or whatever you do to relax. But thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and please leave any comments. We would love to hear from you. Any questions as well, we'll definitely respond to them. And that's it. We'll see you next time. Have a good rest of your day. Go relax.